Hey everyone, welcome to the DimiDrone's channel, and today we're visiting one of the Latvia's best hidden historic places called Brukna Manor or Bruknas Muiža. Tucked away in a peaceful countryside, far from busy highways and popular tourist routes, in the kind of place you usually discover by accident and never forgot. At first glance, Brukna Manor looks like a beautiful country estate, but behind its elegant facade lies a story of decline, restoration, and entirely new purpose. The manor dates back to the 18th century when it belonged to the noble Korff family, one of the Baltic German aristocratic families. Over time, the estate was rebuilt in the neoclassical style, giving it the appearance you can still admire today. Like many historic estates across Eastern Europe, Brukna changed dramatically during the 20th century. After Latvia's land reform, it became a school, and during the Soviet era, the historic building gradually fell into the disrepair. For many years, it seems that the manor would simply disappear. Everything got changed in 2001. A Catholic community called Kalna, svētību, kopiena began restoring the estate. Their mission was not only to save the building, but also to help people rebuild their own lives throughout work, community, and faith. One of the most fascinating parts of Brukna is its Renaissance-style garden. Instead of being filled only with decorative flowers, you will find vegetables, herbs, fruit trees, and carefully designed geometric layouts inspired by historic European monastery gardens. Beauty and practicality come together in a surprisingly peaceful landscape. As you walk around the grounds, you will also notice modern sculptures, art installations, and carefully maintained green spaces. Rather than turning the manor into a museum frozen in time, the community chose to create a place that continues to evolve. The interiors follow the same philosophy. Since most of the original decoration was lost, artists and volunteers from across Latvia helped transform the rooms with contemporary artwork, giving each space its own unique atmosphere while respecting the manor's history. Today, Brukna Manor hosts cultural events, exhibitions, concerts, workshops, and welcomes visitors looking for something beyond the usual tourist attractions. Perhaps that's what makes this place so special. Brukna isn't famous because it's the largest manor in Latvia or the most luxurious one. It's memorable because it proves that even a forgotten historic estate can find a completely new life when people care enough to restore it. If you are exploring Latvia beyond Riga, the usual sightseeing spots, Brukna Manor is definitely worth the visit. That's all for today, folks. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button. Keep traveling and discover new locations. Bye bye.